Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Teams microphone's not working. So, first, make sure your microphone is properly connected. If you're using a USB or Bluetooth microphone, unplug and reconnect it, or reconnect it through your Bluetooth settings. Next, open Microsoft Teams. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner beside your profile. So, click that. Now, once you're here, select Settings. Now, on the left side from the options, select devices. Now, under microphone, so scroll down and look for microphone. So, under audio, look for microphone and make sure the correct microphone is selected. So, click this arrow right here and choose your correct microphone. So, speak into your microphone and check if the input level moves. Now, if Teams still can't detect your microphone, close Teams completely. So close it and reopen it again. Then go to your computer settings. Now, once you're here, go to privacy and security on the left side. Then in here, choose microphone. Scroll down and under app permission, select microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on and ensure Microsoft Teams is allowed to use your microphone. After that, restart Microsoft Teams and test your microphone again. You can also refresh it, so click the reload button in the top left corner, and once done, see if that solves the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.